How to delete TikTok seller account. Before we get started, make sure your TikTok app is updated to its latest version. Open your TikTok app and navigate to your TikTok shop seller account. Find out the settings option. Depending on your device, you might find different options here. Some devices allow you to directly delete your TikTok shop account or request deletion. However, if you don't see these options, unlink TikTok accounts. Look for the option to link TikTok accounts. Now, select official account linked to your Seller Center account. Scroll down to the bottom of the official account information and click on Unlink Official Account. If your account is still in probation, you will receive a reminder that completing the process requires at least one official account linked to your Seller Center. Proceeding with unlinking will deactivate your seller account. Thanks for watching.